Welcome to Kids Math. So today we have a geometry problem and we need to find out this angle. So, first we need to know a few things. In a triangle, all of the angles added up, all three angles added up, should give you 180 degrees. And in a four-sided figure, all the angles added up should give you 360 degrees. So, you also need to know what an equilateral triangle is. This triangle. An equilateral triangle is where all three sides of the triangle are the same length, which makes all three angles of the triangle the same. So, just by saying that, we know that this, and this is 60 degrees because we divided 180 degrees by 3. By the three angles. So the total divided by all three angles, three parts, like part whole, gives you 60 degrees. And a square, you should know that all of the angles are 90 degrees. So, I'm just gonna fix this like that. Okay, so, an isosceles triangle is where two sides are the same, but the last one is not. So, this angle and this angle would be the same. But to find this angle and this angle, we need to find this angle and add it up with this angle. Because this angle plus this angle will give us, let's just say, x. And then x will help us a lot because we know that in a triangle, all the angles added up should give you 180 degrees, which means 180 degrees minus x minus this will give us let's just say z. And then the z divided by these two angles, since they're the same, give us this here and this. So, this is obviously 90 degrees because all the angles in a square are 90 degrees since all the sides are the same length. And that means this is 15 degrees and this is 15 degrees because 60 degrees plus 90 degrees is 150 degrees. And the total of all the angles is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, again this, is 30 degrees. And these two angles, this one and this one, are the same. So just divide that by 2 and it gives you both of the angles, 15 and 15. So we still need to figure out this angle. So to find this angle, we could either try to find out that this angle, because if we know two angles of a triangle, just add them up and subtract that from 180 degrees to give us the last angle. But that will be more extra steps. An easier way is, do you see how this is the corner and this is the corner of the square? And the line is going into both corners, which means that this is 45 degrees. And this too. But we don't need that right now. So this is 45 degrees, and this whole thing right here, is 90 degrees. The total right here, 90 degrees. So that means 15 plus the question mark angle that we need to find, plus 45 degrees equals 90 degrees. Okay, so we know that now, so that means the 15 degrees right there plus 45 degrees, right here and here, equals 60 degrees. So the question mark right here is 30 degrees because the total is 90 degrees and these two angles added up is 60 degrees, which means just subtract 60 from 90, which gives you 30 degrees, the answer. So 90 minus 60 equals 30. So our answer is 30 degrees. Okay, leave a like and subscribe below, and turn on your notifications to get notified when we post new videos. See you next time.